Hello, thank you. This is Folake Orebi, Shining Folake. I am bringing this design to you again. This is spiral. I want to do a tutorial on this today. And you see, I won't like to take much of your time. Let me go to the tutorial fully. I'm having my fishing line, 0.3, and I'm having my beads here. I'm having my beads, C bead, 0.2, size 2. So, I will first pick 5. Five gold. I'm picking 5 gold. Then I will run it through down. Then I will tie. I will tie. This is the third time. So, can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will first pick this one. I'll pick the first one that is closer to the one I tied. So I will now go to gold. Pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll pick 5 gold. Then take it down. 5 gold. I'm going to leave the first one. This is the 5. This is the, and you see, I will leave this one, then use the second one. Hope you can see very well. And I'll come out and pick another 5 gold. Run it through, take it down. So I'm leaving this one. I will use the second one. This is what it's going to give us. Let me see, this is what it's going to give us. So I will pick another 5. Another 5 gold. This is 5. This is 5. I'll take it down. And I will leave this, the next one, I'm going to leave it out. This is the next one. So I will take it like this. I will take the first 3. Now I'm going up. I'm going up. I'll leave the first 3. So it will give us this. This is what it's going to give us. So the next thing is to pick. This is what I want to achieve. So now I'll be picking 2 gold, 1 blue, 2 gold, making 5. So picking that, you know, we are using 5, 5. So I will look for the center, which is 1, 2, 3. 3 is the center. This is the center. You see the center, then you now pull it out. Take another 2 gold, 1 blue, 2 gold. Then you use the same center here. This is the center. To cut out this. Now take it down. You take another 2 gold, 1 blue, 2 gold. Then you look for the center of this 5, which is this. This is the center. Now, for us to cross to come up to this to another level, we have to go through this 2. Sorry, can you see? You want to go up to continue what we are doing to get this design. You put your needle here. This is how you are going to go to the next stage. You put your needle like this, and you now pull. You pull gently. So, can you see? And you now take another 2 blue, 2 gold, 1 blue, 2 gold. Then you go to the next blue. Pick the next blue. Another 2 gold. 2 gold, 1 blue, 2 gold. Then use the blue. Hope you can see. So at this point, you're supposed to go through, go through the next to come up. You are going up now. So see what I'm going to do here. 1, 2 gold, 1 blue. Please subscribe to my channel. 2 gold, 1 blue. Can you see? 2 gold, 1 blue. Then you skip this blue, you come to this place, to the next blue. You have to skip that blue. You will skip that blue.